What's up, y'all? Box Chevy Dame. Check it in, man, with this misfire situation. I got my battery. Went to AutoZone to get it charged. It's in there. Like I said, we started from scratch with everything. That Duralast Gold, it's in there. It's bolted down. What I'm about to do, y'all, is crank it up. I am going to I'm about to put some of this spray to the carb, just a little bit, nothing too major. And then I'm gonna crank it up. I'm gonna let y'all hear as I start the car up. I checked the spark plugs, wires, make sure the spark plugs and the wires, and make sure that nothing was off. They all in, they all on correctly. But yeah, let's just see what it do. And like I said, we had to go from there. Y'all keep rocking. Let's cut y'all off for a second, cut y'all back on. Hold on. All right, y'all, we back on. Don't forget about the roof game. Minor setback. We be back. No priming, no none of that, y'all. Just straight startup. Let's see what we got. All right, let me prime it a little bit. See, look, fuel pump, it's pumping. Let's see what's, I'm gonna prime it a little bit. See, I don't want that popping noise that it did prior to that out the exhaust. One more time. See, I got lights and stuff. Look, y'all, good ass battery. Excuse my language. 1 second. See what it do. From my viewers, supporters, mechanics, handymans, all-purpose man, box Chevy guys, y'all leave in the comments, man, what y'all think this potentially could be. At this point, I'm going to take my battery out because I don't want it to drain. But yeah, that's what it's doing, y'all. At this point, I sprayed some carb cleaner in there. But yeah, I'm gonna play out here a little bit just to see what's going on. But I don't want prior to this, a while ago, I had a loud pop sound come out of my exhaust, and just kind of unmotivated me for a little bit. But I'm trying to get back into it, y'all. So y'all keep rocking with me. As soon as I get past this minor hiccup, we'll be up and running. We will be back. Just a minor setback, but I'm trying to see what's going on with it. Y'all stay tuned. Signing out, y'all. All right.